Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping back into the luxurious world of American automotive excellence, the 1968 Lincoln Continental. A car that wasn't just about getting from point A to B, it was about arriving in unmatched style, comfort, and sophistication. Let's dive into what made this full-sized luxury cruiser an icon of its era, from its bold exterior design to its plush interior and powerful performance. Exterior. At first glance, the 1968 Lincoln Continental commands attention. It's long, low, and undeniably elegant, measuring over 18 feet in length. The clean, squared-off lines and slab-sided design give it a look of authority, a true statement car of the late 60s. The massive chrome grille paired with hidden headlamps adds an air of mystery and power. The hood stretches endlessly forward, while the rear carries that classic horizontal taillight bar stretching across the trunk, pure symmetry and style. This was the last Continental before Lincoln fully embraced the 70s styling cues, meaning you still get that pure, timeless mid-century design that collectors adore today. Interior. Step inside, and you'll instantly understand why Lincoln was considered the pinnacle of American luxury. The interior of the 1968 Continental feels like a rolling living room, wide, plush leather seats, thick carpeting, and chrome-trimmed details everywhere you look. The dashboard is a blend of elegance and simplicity, featuring wood grain accents, large analog gauges, and the signature horizontal speedometer that was both stylish and functional. Rear passengers were treated just as well, with generous legroom, soft seating, and even optional rear air conditioning and power windows. This car was designed for comfort, serenity, and class, making long road trips feel like gliding on air. Performance. Under the hood, the 1968 Continental packed serious muscle. It came equipped with a 460 cubic inch, 7.5-liter V8 engine producing around 365 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque, an immense amount of power for its time. Paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission, the Continental offered smooth, effortless acceleration. Despite its massive size, it handled surprisingly well thanks to power steering, power brakes, and Lincoln's advanced suspension tuning. This car wasn't built for racing, it was built for gliding. Whether you were cruising down Route 66 or rolling up to a luxury hotel, the Continental delivered refinement in motion. The 1968 Lincoln Continental wasn't just a car, it was a symbol of power, success, and timeless design. It perfectly captured the essence of late 60s American luxury, big, bold, and beautifully crafted. Even today, it remains one of the most admired and collectible Lincolns ever made. From its commanding presence to its buttery smooth ride, the Continental is a reminder of a time when cars were more than machines, they were statements. If you love classic luxury cars and want to see more automotive legends like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.